Well, I'm back about 10 days later on this floor. We ground this down, stitched it with structural epoxy grout number 4 bar in through here, and then filled it with a 10% elasticity epoxy along here as well. In here, we removed this plumbing trench area, and this other electrical plumbing area was just busted all over the place. They didn't have any dowel pins in the existing concrete, and it just sank and broke all over. We reinforced this with steel, poured it back with 4,000, finished it to a hard trowel finish. Now they can smoothly drive their hard tire forklifts across here with ease. For more information about commercial floor crack stitching, grinding, heave, cracks, and fractures, contact James at 602-418-2970, or you can always go to concreterepairman.com for more information. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.